How to sign up for Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to sign up for your account, here you can see the sign up option in the bottom. Tap on it. Now, you'll need to provide certain information in order to create your account. So provide your full name, your business email, your password, and your phone number. After you provide all of your information, you can tap on this Get Started button. Now it is creating your account for you. And there you go. It has successfully created your account and logged you in. So that's how you can easily sign up for Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.